So you download the newest version of Filmora, Filmora version 9, you start editing, and then you realize, where's the render button? It is gone, my friends. That render button is a thing of the past. And if you start experiencing lag, now what are you gonna do? Well, let me dig into this, because if you are experiencing lag with the new Filmora 9, there are some things that you can do to solve it. Are you ready? Let's dig in. Let's open up Filmora and pull in a piece of footage. When we bring it down into our timeline, allow Filmora a couple of seconds to process that piece of footage. In the last version of Filmora, we would have to render that piece of footage, but Filmora 9 uses what they call proxies to create smaller, less complex video segments. So you need to give Filmora a moment to create those proxies. You should be able to view your footage cleanly at this point, but if you see any lag, make sure to shut down any other processes you might have running on your computer that could be adding to the demands on your processor. Now, to make sure you're running Filmora at its fastest capabilities, click on File and hit Preferences in the drop-down menu. Click on the Performance tab, and there you'll see a few options. Enable the GPU acceleration. That will allow your graphics processor to run Filmora at peak efficiency. Also, you can set the proxy resolution threshold down to 1280 by 720 so that even footage that isn't full high definition can be optimized for editing. Hit OK and check your footage. You should now be able to work with your footage without any lag affecting, but if you were working on an older computer, there's another trick you can try as well. Click on View, and in the drop-down menu, click on Playback Quality. You can reduce the preview window video playback setting to half, quarter, and even all the way down to 1/16th resolution to ease the demands of the video editor on your computer. Remember, the more you ask Filmora to do, the harder your processor will need to work. So make sure when you bring in new footage or add transitions and effects, you're allowing Filmora a moment to process and prepare those elements. There are so many new things with Filmora. Did you know that there's a Filmora Pro version out now? Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be part of this conversation, which we will continue down in the comments section. Peace.